Hey family! I'm so excited for you to see this recipe. It has become a favorite at our house. My version of shepherd's pie uses scalloped potatoes instead of mashed, and it's so delicious. But not only that, I find it much easier. It's a hearty, satisfying comfort dish your whole family will love. So let's get started.
The ingredients we're going to be using today are 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 1 onion diced, 3 tablespoons of flour, 1.5 cups of beef stock, 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1.5 cups of frozen peas and carrots, 2 large potatoes, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Begin by heating oil in a pan and brown ground beef. Use your spoon or spatula to break up the meat. Season well with salt and pepper. Cook until cooked through. This will take about 4 to 5 minutes. Remove, drain, and set aside. Add more oil to the pan and sauté onions. Season with salt and pepper and cook until softened. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Return the beef back to the pan. Stir in flour. Add beef stock and Worcestershire sauce. Stir in peas and carrots and bring to a boil. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Transfer beef mixture into a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Peel the potatoes and cut them into thin slices. Traditional shepherd's pie is usually topped with mashed potatoes, but I find this method much easier. Plus, I prefer the texture of the scalloped potatoes. Season the potato slices with salt and pepper. Arrange the potato slices in rows over the beef mixture. Now let's top it with some good stuff. Pour over the melted butter. And top it with some shredded cheddar cheese. Cover the dish with foil. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and bake for 30 minutes. The total bake time for this dish is an hour to ensure that the potatoes are nice and tender. After 30 minutes, remove the foil and bake for another 30 minutes. Okay, it's been an hour now. Look how delicious this looks. It's still bubbling. For the full written recipe, I have everything written in the description below. This shepherd's pie is the ultimate comfort food. The ground beef with veggies and that gravy, topped with potatoes and cheese. You guys, it's so delicious. I hope you give this one a try. Time to give it a try. Perfect.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Don't miss out on any of my other simple and delicious recipes. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.